Business coaching has been around for decades, but a fairly new trend in coaching involves horses.
It does. Unlike us, horses have a sixth sense. They can sense intent, and as prey animals, they can sense fear, anger, anxiety, even joy and relaxation. So they're actually able to mirror back to us the energy that we are putting out there, and it may not match exactly how we see ourselves.
Deep in Virginia horse country is not where you'd expect to go for intensive business leadership coaching sessions.
So we want to just balance our energetic state first, and then we will approach him.
But that's what's going on here. Shari Jaeger Goodwin uses her horses to help people improve their leadership style. Today, she's working with 3 women business owners.
And just notice how you feel, where you may be holding tension in your body.
Noble is nervous. He spent much of the morning kicking, running, and sweating. Goodwin says it's a direct reflection of the nervous energy in the room.
This is about offering neutral, safe energy to Noble, who's a little nervous today.
But watch what happens as Goodwin calms the women, asking them to ground themselves.
Feel your feet on the floor, wiggle your toes, connect to the deep energy of the earth.
To breathe deeply and rebalance their energy, Noble calmly and quietly approaches the women.
And just notice where he is. He's drawn to this energy because this is an energy of confidence and trust. And this is the energy you need to be an inspired leader and to inspire and motivate others to follow you.
Goodwin is a business strategist and author with a background in science and entrepreneurship.
And the evidence is in the horse. I mean, they don't lie. So they're going to tell you the God's honest truth right there in front of you, whether you want to hear it or not. And for some people, it's really painful.
So we're going to approach nice and quietly. Come on in. We're going to go to the center of the arena.
One decides to stay out, she tells us later, because she is still not feeling calm. Goodwin asks the other women to get Noble to follow them, to lead him without a rope. It's an action that requires the horse to trust.
What's your plan? Where are you going?
Are you surprised?
Yes, very. I did not think that I was going to be able to calm Noble down and make him go right to that ball. I was surprised that my confidence and conviction could lead directly to that.
Kara Dickey is a software management consultant who's been working with Goodwin to improve her leadership style.
So now I am enjoying work better because I think about it differently. Instead of being a dictator, I'm more of a kind of like a counselor. It's a skill. You know, you learn the skill of being grounded. You learn the skill of finding a peaceful place. The more you do it, the more skillful you become.
Bobby McIntyre, a Navy captain retiring from the military after more than 30 years, is looking to increase her confidence as she launches a new business.
I have used the grounding techniques and the calming techniques to keep business meetings flowing, to keep things on topic, and to pull the best out of people. And I'm coming from a place of sincerity and love. In truth, it's love. I have this expansive love for people, and I just want to help them. And they started to come, and they're coming.
They were also passionate about this. And, you know, the nation's top business strategists say humans rely mostly on verbal communication, but the horses teach us to listen, to communicate with our hearts and our whole bodies. So that's really what's so essential to being a good leader, and that's the whole point of this. And I have to tell you, you guys noticed how sweaty that horse was.
Yeah.
When we first walked into that arena in the morning, he was kicking. We didn't get the kicking on camera. I'm a horse person. I grew up riding. I would never have gotten into that arena with that horse. I thought that horse had never had a saddle on him. He has. The transformation was astounding to me. I was a little cynical when I first walked in to think, how is this going to play out?
So he was picking up on the negative energy in the room, essentially.
The anxiety.
The anxiety.
The anxious energy.
Very interesting.
Like you
said.
said.
Very interesting.
Yeah, it really is. It really is.